Michelin Pilot all season 4s. Definitely grip nicely. Beautiful merge. Just making a little hooning trip to a Microcenter, pick up just a secondary graphics card, nothing crazy, not like a 30 series card, just a 1650 Super, just for I don't know, just for fun, I guess, as a backup card. See you guys around. Thanks for watching. I was able to manage to grab one from Microcenter. It was a pretty simple process. I just walked in and pointed at where it was, said I wanted one, and got it. So got it. I'm gonna head home. Look at this Tesla, nice wrap job. Kind of like it. It's pretty sweet. Good color. So yeah, just a secondary card, you know, for backup. So nothing too you know, crazy for gaming or anything. But it wasn't a Super. It was actually a 1650. I thought it was a Super version, but that's okay. It'll do for now. See you guys around.